Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Grade 3 Mathematics class. How are you all doing today? So we have been learning about patterns and symmetry. I hope you all are clear with the concepts that we learned in this chapter. So today, let's discuss the questions from revision station, which is in page number 114 of your textbook. So I hope you all have your textbook with you. So let's see the first question. Look at the pattern in each row. Take the option given at the right side that continues the given pattern. So you have a set of 5 patterns given in question 1. You have to identify what is the pattern rule in each case, and then you have to find out what is the next image or object or letter that comes within each pattern. You can do this as an activity. Please pause the video, finish the question and come back. Hope you are done with that question. Now let's discuss the question one by one. The first one. Here you have a repeating pattern. So what do you mean by a repeating pattern? When the objects or numbers or images in a pattern is repeating, we call that a repeating pattern. So here you have a repeating pattern where you have 2 stars, then 2 circles, again 2 stars, and you have to find out what is the next image in the sequence. So which is the correct option? It is the circle that comes next. Now what about the second question? This one is also a repeating pattern. Here the shapes circle and square are repeating. A circle, a square, a circle, a square, then a circle, a square, and what would be the next one? It will be a circle. I hope you got these 2 correct. Now the third question is a number pattern. Look at the numbers given in the pattern: 110, 220, 330 and 440. You see the numbers are increasing or growing. So this is an example of a growing or increasing pattern in numbers. And can you identify what is the pattern rule for this number sequence? You see there is a difference of 110 between each consecutive numbers. 110 and 220, the difference is 110. 110 plus 110 is 220, then 220 plus 110 is 330, then 330 plus 110 is 440. And that's how the pattern is proceeding. And what would be the next number in the sequence? It would be 440 plus 110, which is equal to 550. So let's take 550. Now the fourth question. This is also a number pattern. 900, 800, 700, 600, and it goes on like that. Here in this case, the numbers seem to be decreasing. So this is an example of a decreasing pattern in numbers. And can you identify the pattern rule? Here there is a difference of 100 between each adjacent numbers. So 900 minus 100 is 800, 800 minus 100 is 700, and 700 minus 100 is 600. So what would be the next number? It would be 600 minus 100, which is equal to 500. So the correct option here is 500. Now the last one. AB, AAB, AAAB, AAAAB. This one is a pattern with letters. See, in the first case there is one A and one B. And as the sequence proceeds, you can see the number of letter A's is increasing. So there is one A in the first case, then there are 2 A's and a B, then there are 3 A's and a B, then there are 4 A's and a B. So what would be the next in the sequence? It would be 5 A's and a B. So which is the correct option? The second one from the choices, 5 A's and a B. I hope you got all the answers correct. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Take the correct half of the given image to make it symmetrical. So here also you can see a set of two questions. One half of the figure is given here. You have to identify which is the other half from among the choices so that the full image will be a symmetrical image. Pause this video, finish this exercise and come back. Hope you are done with that. Now let's see which is the correct choice from among the options. For question A, which is the correct other half, it would be the third option. Now for the second question, question B, we can see half of a smiley face. The left half is given, which would be the correct right half. It would be the second choice. So here you have the correct half, the other half of the given figure, so that the full image will be a symmetrical image. I hope you got both the answers correct. Now let's move on to the third question. Take the images that are symmetrical about the line. You can see a set of three images given here. And in each case, you can see a line is drawn through the image. You have to identify in which all figures does the line divide the given figure into identical halves or mirror images so that the image is a symmetrical image. Just pause the video, finish the activity and come back. Hope you are done with that. Now let's see which are the symmetrical figures from these questions. The first one, A. Here you can see a line is passing through the middle of the given figure. Does this line divide or fold the given image into identical halves or mirror images? Yes, it does. You'll get one left half and one right half, which are mirror images or identical halves of this given image. So this line going through the middle is a line of symmetry and this given figure is a symmetrical figure. So you can put a tick in the box provided below the image. Now the second one, option B, you can see that image and there is a line going through the image. Does this line divide or fold this image into identical halves? No, it does not. The two parts of the image will not look alike. So this one is not a symmetrical figure, it is an asymmetrical figure. On the third one, you can see a star and there is a line going through the middle. And does this line divide this given image into identical halves? Yes, it does. So here in this case, this vertical line is the line of symmetry that divides this given figure into identical halves or mirror images, and this given figure is a symmetrical figure. So you can put a tick mark in the box provided below the image. So I hope you got the correct symmetrical figures from this question. Now let's see the fourth question. Color the tiles in different colors to make a pattern. You can see a tiling or tessellation here. And you can see individual tiles like this. And you have to color this given tiling in a way that it looks like a beautiful pattern. You can choose any color, but make sure the colors are repeating so that it will make up a beautiful pattern. So this is what you can do as a homework. And children, please go through all the concepts and exercises that we learned in this chapter once again. And then there is a worksheet to be completed in page number 115. Please go through the worksheet and do accordingly. So once you're done with that, you can take a picture and send us through tips. So that's all for today, children. We'll meet in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, bye.